Welcome to Nutsbury Farm, where there's a lot of roller coasters and lots of sea there. Or you can go on the roller coaster till you puke. I'm kidding, guys. You can go on you can go on the roller coaster if you want, but if you want to be like me, go on. Whoop.